Wronskian function means by using determinant we can frame the differential equations. Means we can calculate some function, Wronskian function, the determinant. Now suppose y1 of x, y2 of x, y3 of x are three functions. Then Wronskian of y1, y2, y3 is denoted by w. Therefore, w equals to determinant of y1, y2, y3 in the first row. In the second row, y1 dash, y2 dash, y3 dash. In the third row, y1 double dash, y2 double dash, y3 double dash. You calculate determinant of this one. Means observe one important technique here. Three functions they have given, y1, y2, y3. Means we are calculating second derivative, up to second derivative of these functions. Suppose n functions are available, then you have to calculate n minus 1 times the derivative of these functions. Am I right? Now like this, we can calculate the Wronskian function of this definition.